This is the Dash Safe Slice mandolin. Mandolins are essential in any professional kitchen because of the way they guarantee uniform cuts and unparalleled speed. And this isn't just about making the food look pretty. Even cuts mean even cooking results. But until now, mandolins have been incredibly dangerous with an exposed blade that puts your fingers and hands at risk. Now, with the Safe Slice mandolin, you can have all the benefits of a mandolin without any of the danger. The Safe Slice mandolin provides a safer way to cut like a pro. Simply open the stand until it locks into place, and then dial in the cut you want. Our design prevents your fingers from ever going anywhere near the blade, making this mandolin the safest option for an expert slice. And with over 30 different cuts, you can effortlessly slice, julienne, mince, and much more. The mandolin makes it easy to create stunning side dishes and desserts for friends and family. From potato gratin to apple tarts to summertime salads, all of those look amazing when you use a mandolin. And with the Safe Slice, it's easier and safer than ever. Here at Dash, helping you eat better is our #1 priority. That's why we work hard every day to create high-quality products and healthy recipes, all with the customer support team based right here in the USA. So bring your cooking to the next level and safely slice like a pro with the Dash Safe Slice mandolin.
The new Fast Cut Herb tool from Xylus makes light work of chopping herbs. With 5 high-quality stainless steel cutting wheels, the Fast Cut Herb tool is great for cutting rosemary, coriander, basil, parsley, tarragon, chives and more. Much quicker than chopping with a knife, this gadget glides through herbs with speed and ease. This compact handheld device features a blade rotation mechanism, allowing the blades to rotate 90 degrees to offer greater versatility when in use. You can either roll the herbs using your palm, or rotate the blades and use the grip function. The soft touch handle ensures comfortable and easy use. Ideal for using herbs as a garnish, or for adding herbs to sauces, or roasted vegetables. A blade cover allows the Fast Cut Herb tool to be safely stored. And for cleaning, simply remove the top and put in the dishwasher. For effortless herb chopping, use the Fast Cut Herb tool, another great innovation from Xylus.
The Xylus Rotary Cheese Grater is NSF Restaurant certified. The cheese grater can be used with either left or right-handed use. Acid-etched stainless steel micro-serrated blades are ultra sharp. The grater can also be used with nuts or hard chocolate. dishwasher safe and comes with a 5-year Xylus guarantee.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.